Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So as you saw, we're unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for November, and you guys, do I have a deal for you. So if you do not have a subscription to the Allure Box, this is a really great month to sign up. So all new members this month can actually score this box for only $15. And you can get a free full-size glow recipe item as well. Like, you guys, that glow recipe item is absolutely worth it just for that product alone. But then to get the discount and you're still gonna get the full box, like, mind blown, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this box today. I'm gonna tell you guys about all of the different products because there are variations. So even if you're an existing member for November, there are different items in everybody's boxes as well. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this, you guys, but I cannot wait to show you everything you can get this month for November. So if you have not seen the Allure Beauty Box before, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is one of my personal favorites because I do feel like Allure always sends us name brand items. They're brands that I know, that I've tried, and they're always products that I really enjoy. Even if it's something that I've not tried, I still will recognize the brand itself, and I like that you can trust this box to send you those name brand items at an affordable price tag. So this retails for $25 a month. There is free shipping on this as well. And then as an existing member, you also gain exclusive access to their shop. Now, exclusive members, if you have not checked it out yet, Allure is offering Black Friday deals all month long in November, only for existing members. So right now, you guys can go in, log in and look at that shop, and you're gonna see a new deal posted every single week. And it's just another perk of being an Allure member. So inside of your box, you're going to have a little magazine that will talk to you about the products that you have. You're also going to know which variation you have with your booklet. So usually along the spine on the front of the cover, it's gonna give you a little code. So it will say 1123 VA. That is what my box is. So mine is the November 2023 box, and I have variation A. So each box might be slightly different depending on what variation you receive. Now what that means is that the longer you've been an Allure Beauty Box member, sometimes they will reintroduce past favorites for those who haven't been subscribed as long. Now I've had this subscription for like 3 years running, so they guarantee that I will not receive any duplicates in my box, and that's where the variations come into play. I think one of the things that's confusing right now is Allure is advertising with these photos all over social media, like Instagram and Facebook. I see them everywhere, and they're showing every item that is available this month. So it makes you think you're getting all of those items, but you aren't because it's variations. And they're just saying, this is what's available. You're gonna receive a mixture of these items depending on how long you've been a member. And so I think it gets a little bit confusing. So a lot of people are like, well, I missed an item. I didn't get this item. And that's not really what they need to be a little bit more specific. I would agree. Like, it needs to actually say you're going to receive some of these items. So first item inside of everyone's box this month, whether you are new or existing, is from Medic 8. This is a full-size product, and this is the Crystal Retinol Night Serum. It is 1 ounce or 30 ml, and it is a sealed bottle. Now, this is a product that I have already used from a previous subscription box. This is a very strong treatment. So my recommendation is to use this maybe once or twice in the first week. Don't use it every single day. If you use it every day, it will be too intense. It gets really strong, and you want to gradually incorporate this in. After you let this mask kind of settle in and it's going to dry, you're going to follow up with a moisturizer right after that as well. So sometimes the retinol in this is just a very strong ingredient, and if you overuse it, it's going to damage your skin more than it will help. So my recommendation is just use this a couple times a week. Don't go too crazy with it. Still use a moisturizer. And if you wanted to purchase this, it's $64 on the Medic 8 website, but you're getting it in your $25 beauty box, or new members get it for $15. Next item that everyone will receive in the month of November is going to be the cuticle and nail cream. This is from the brand Paly? I may be pronouncing that wrong, but this is what the brand looks like. Now, personally, I love that we got this in the box because I always need a cuticle cream. Mine, you guys, they always get dried out. They're always cracked. Even if I do lotion or butters, I feel like it's just because I'm always opening boxes, because I don't ever remember it being like this. But the last few years, like, they're always getting dry. So I am so excited personally to have this in my box. Also, because I feel like sometimes that's an area that gets neglected. We do so many moisturizers and so many lotions for everything on our body, but I feel like the nail bed area just gets a little bit neglected. So I'm excited that we got this in our November box. Now, this is a full-size product. It is 0.75 ounces. It looks small, but it is full size, and it does retail for $28 on their website. Next up, everyone will be receiving a Masky product this month. This one is different from the previous Masky items we've had, and I will agree. We have had a lot of Masky products lately. I do like the brand. I have found some really great moisturizers from them. But I am getting a little tired of seeing the same brand in every Allure box for like the last 3 months. Now, it is a different product, so I appreciate that. It is not a repeat item. This is their pH Balancing Scalp Serum. So it is designed to calm down your scalp. It's going to give hydration back so you won't have any flakes or dry skin, anything along those lines. It is a full-size product that is vegan, cruelty-free, and it's also going to have plant-based ingredients inside of this. If you were going to purchase this on the Masky website, it retails for $72. I did not realize this was a $72 item. I mean, what is in this that makes it worth $72, you guys? Like, that seems really expensive. Thank heavens it's in my Allure box, because I don't think I would go on their website and pay that for this item. Also this month, everyone will be getting a free product from Cetaphil. Cetaphil is sponsoring the November box for Allure, and so they are including their newest item, which is their Healthy Renew Night Cream. It is just a sample size, but it's basically a free product this month because they are sponsoring this box. So this one says that it is a night cream, and it is clinically proven to help prevent the appearance of premature aging, but it's also gentle for sensitive skin. So now we're going to get into some of the variation products. This is where they could vary depending on how long you've been a member with Allure. So one of those items is going to be the Amika product. Now, they have several items on there that I've already had in past boxes. So because of that, they are substituting this out with the Amika product. Not everyone will receive Amika in their box. Again, it depends on how long you've been a member. So this is the Multitask Repair Treatment. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce. This is a hair care product, and it is a deluxe travel sized item. This product would retail for $30 on the website for the full size version. It is a slick, thin formula that has moisturizing butters, and it will make your hair softer, glossier, and easier to brush. Another item that you might receive in your November box is going to be from Nura Echos. This one is the shower cream for the body. Now, this was a brand that has been in Allure before. However, this particular product is different than the other ones that we had. It looks similar, but it is a little bit different. This one is 94% organic and of natural ingredients. This will feature like aloe inside of here, and it says it's a body wash that's like a lotion, so you will stay hydrated longer. There's also Brazil nut oil inside of this that will help to lock in your hydration. Last item inside of my November box is the Belief Moisturizing Balm Toner. So I am so excited because I feel like Belief has some of the best moisturizers on the market. I love them. I swear by this brand. So now we get to try out their take on a toner. So I'm really excited because I've not used it yet. So this one is supposed to be a toner, but it's also going to moisturize your skin. It's great for dry skin, and it says it will lock in moisture while still cleansing and getting rid of any texture, you know, and removing any dirt that you might have in those pores. This is a sample-sized product. It's only 5 ml. But it is a really great brand, so I do think it's going to be a great product to try out. So that is everything inside of my November Allure Beauty Box. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions. I tried to simplify and clarify everything for this month's box. Whenever there's new member items and variations, it gets a little confusing. And so I tried to simplify it down in this video, but if you're still confused, you can just comment. I'll get back to you guys and help you out with it. Hopefully I didn't make you more confused through this video. And again, if you guys want to sign up in the month of November, you can receive this box for only $15. Plus, you'll receive not only all of this, but you're also going to receive that glow recipe item. So you're also going to get an extra bonus product. It's just, I'm telling you guys, it is such a great steal for new members. But in addition, existing members, be checking that shop because there's Black Friday deals in there. You can get Glow Recipe right now for 15 bucks. It's super cheap. They've got lots of different deals. They have new bundles on there. They have past boxes you can buy as well. There's lots of things going on the Allure shop. But if you guys are interested, I do have that link down below and that discount code for you guys. But until next time, have a great rest of you guys' day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!